Kimi Makwetu passed away after a 2-year battle against cancer. Auditor-General Kimi Makwetu has passed away, his office confirmed on Wednesday. Makwetu passed away from lung cancer in hospital on Wednesday after battling the disease since 2018, the Office of the Auditor-General said in a statement. It is with great sadness and shock that we announce the passing of Auditor-General Kimi Makwetu this afternoon, spokesperson Africa Bozo said. Bozo said the audit office joined the Makwetu family in mourning his death. We asked the public to keep the family in their thoughts as they come to terms with his passing and to give them privacy and space. When they are ready, the family will share details of how they would like to honor their beloved husband and father, Bozo said. Former President Jacob Zuma appointed Makwetu as Auditor General on December 1, 2013, for a 7-year term, which was to end on November 30. He will be replaced by Deputy Auditor General Xolani Gwala. Makwetu was scheduled to appear in Parliament last week for a farewell event, but could not attend because he was ill. Finance Minister Tito Mboweni expressed sadness at the news of Makwetu's death. He worked very hard to get the government finances to be properly audited. I am sure we will miss him in the financial and auditing world, said Mboweni. The minister said Parliament would find an appropriate opportunity to pay tribute to Makwetu. Meanwhile, the governing act described Makwetu as a gallant servant of the people of South Africa and said his death was a loss to the auditing profession and the ongoing task of building an accountable administration. The Auditor General's work empowers citizens to hold the custodians of public resources accountable. Makwetu remained true to the constitutional mandate of AGSA, namely, to strengthen our democracy by enabling oversight, accountability, and governance in the public sector through auditing, thereby building public confidence, party spokesperson Pule Mabe said. Mabe hailed Makwetu's contribution to building a culture of accountability and transparency in the use of state resources. He said his legacy must be honored by having a clean and accountable administration. We are confident that all public servants, including employees at AGSA, will take forward Makwetu's legacy as well as the solid foundation that he and other previous Auditors General have laid, he added. According to the Auditor General South Africa website, Makwetu was born in Cape Town and completed a social sciences degree at the University of Cape Town in 1989. He received a Comp Honours degree from the University of Natal Distance Learning in 1997 and was a qualified chartered accountant. He started his career with Standard Bank and later worked at Nampak, completing his articles at Deloitte, where he progressed to senior management before joining Liberty and Metropolitan Life in Cape Town. He then moved to Gauteng in 2003 and worked at Liberty Life. Makwetu returned to Deloitte as the director in the firm's forensic unit before his appointment as Deputy Auditor General in 2007. He leaves a wife and 3 children.